Hello, I'm Alexander from Trading Price Action on Futures.com, and this is the weekly recap for the last week of October. We took a total of 6 trades this week, 3 small winners and 3 losing trades. Difficult price action here. Prices in a tight trading range. With almost no price action at all, no big moves. So let's take a look here at what we did this week. Beginning with Monday. Difficult day here. With price breaking the support area. Eventually giving us the first trade of the day, losing 16 ticks on the setup. Eventually price went into a tight trading range here, about 50 ticks or 45 ticks. We took a re-entry short. We were stopped out again for 16 ticks, 2 trades. 2 losing trades for the day. Eventually price went down as I was expected, but not within our trading hours. Let's move on to Tuesday. Only 1 trade on Tuesday. Again, a difficult day here. We had to wait a long time. At the open of the room, the beginning of the trading day, trend was up, trading above support. We eventually broke the support area that was in place at 37. Price broke support, retested resistance. It was a perfect trade here, momentum trade, short, trying to break the current support area that was in place at 50.40. It took a long time here, and we were eventually stopped out for a profit of I think 21 ticks per contract. Eventually you could see that price went into a tight trading range here for a couple of hours, and eventually giving a third leg down here. Let's move on to Wednesday, news day. We had the news event. So nothing we could do here with the price action that we got on the chart before the news event. Eventually we could see right at the news event a big move up. We were waiting for a support or resistance area on the higher time frame. We eventually got a resistance area in place. Price broke resistance, pulled back, testing support, perfect picture, momentum was up. We eventually took a long setup, first losing trade of the day, losing 16 ticks per contract on this setup. Eventually we were looking for a re-entry because support was holding here at 84, but no valid setup on the trading chart. Price went down, broke the support area, pulled back, testing resistance, trying to break the support area that was in place at 65, and we went down. And I think we took a small profit here on the trade. A small profit of 6 or 7 ticks per contract. Giving us a pullback and stopped us out. Price eventually went down, trying to test the low of today. So Wednesday minus 30 ticks, minus $300. Tuesday again, same price action, difficult price action, no movement, tight trading range. We broke. This was the beginning of the trading day, by the way. We were trading above support. Price was trying to break the support area that was in place at 23. We eventually broke support, retest of resistance. No valid setup was on the trading chart. This was right at the open. We eventually broke the resistance area back up. We pulled back, tested the prior resistance area that turned into support, and we got a perfect momentum trade on the chart, trying to break the resistance area that was in place at 76, and we eventually went up. But it took I think 1 hour or one hour and 30 minutes for the trade to be stopped out at for a profit of 9 ticks per contract, giving us a total profit for the day of 27 ticks plus $270. So small trades for the whole week with no movement. Let's take a look here at the weekly outcome. A small loss for the trading week of 40 ticks, minus $400, bringing the monthly outcome down. We can look at the account performance here, bringing the monthly outcome down into $5,210, 521 ticks is a total profit for the trading month. Profit factor bringing it slightly down because of the last two trading weeks with some pretty difficult price action that we got on the chart. Percentage profitable almost 65%. So everything is looking fine here for the month. We still have a trading day ahead, Monday, 31 of October. So let's see what the monthly outcome will be for October. Again, we are getting a difficult price action here. So the only thing we can do is just take the trades and manage the position. And that was basically it for the weekly recap. Don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter, so you can you will get the daily trades in your email box. Daily trades are without sound. Sometimes it will take a long time to eventually get into the first or even last target. So I always record the live tradings, the live trades without sound, just for tracking purposes. So don't forget to subscribe to my email list to get those trades in your mailbox, and getting the weekly recap in the mailbox too. Okay, guys, that was it for this week. See you back next week. Take care.